Hello and welcome to Crypto Coders, the channel where we dive deep into the world of cryptocurrencies. I have decided to start a free technical analysis course for you guys so that you would be able to make your own trades. I want you guys not to rely on anyone and to be able to make informed decisions and not be fooled by fake gurus. After this technical analysis series, you would be able to make your own trades and start to earn passive income from trading, as well as start your own signal groups if you want. I absolutely wouldn't mind. Technical analysis may seem like a fancy word to beginners, but it is actually very simple. In this video, we won't learn anything technical, just some basic market terms for beginners who don't know how crypto or stock markets work. This series, we will begin from absolute beginner stuff to becoming a pro trader. And trust me, there's nothing difficult about it. All you need is a bit of experience and exposure to the market. Let's begin. You might have wondered, how do markets work? Why do prices of crypto and stocks go up and down? These questions can be answered in just two simple words: supply and demand. Supply represents the quantity of a particular asset available in the market, while demand signifies the desire of buyers to purchase it. When demand for an asset increases and the supply remains constant or decreases, the price tends to go up. Conversely, if demand decreases and the supply remains constant or increases, the price tends to go down. Simply, when there's more buying in the market, the price will go up. When there's more selling in the market, the price will go down. One more thing that you need to know is that technical analysis is not magic. It is just a tool that you use to increase your chances of winning in the market. Trading is just a game of probabilities. I mean, for example, you do some analysis on a coin and you come to the conclusion that the price will go up from here. That doesn't mean that the price will surely go up. If your analysis is right, there will be a higher probability that the price will go up. Higher probability doesn't mean 100% guarantee. You only try to get to the right side of probability and plan accordingly. You even plan for your losses. I'll teach you guys all of this in the videos to come. We will be using a software called TradingView for our analysis. You can make your account for free. Let's quickly create an account on TradingView. Go to Google and search for TradingView. Click on the first link and then click on Get Started. Click on Sign Up and then sign up with Google. Set your username and click Next. Your free account has been created. You can buy paid version as well, but even for free you will get more than enough tools, so don't even bother buying the premium version. Now on the top search bar, you can search any crypto, stock, commodities or forex pairs. We'll go to the Bitcoin chart. You can even add items to your watch list. From the top here you can search other trading pairs like ETH USDT for example. From the top bar, you can also select the time frame of the chart you want to view. You get plenty of indicators to choose from. For example, EMA is an important indicator. Just search for it and select, and it will be added to the chart. On the left side, we have plenty of tools which will be helpful for us while trading. Some of you who are new to trading might be confused as to how these candles are forming. For that, I suggest you go onto the 1 minute time frame and just watch candles forming for 2 to 3 minutes and you'll understand it in no time. 1 minute time frames mean that each candle you see took 1 minute to form. Similarly, if you go to the 1 day time frame, each candle is formed in 24 hours. You can take your time and explore the interface further if you want. In our next video, we will formally start with our first lesson, which will be on support and resistance. If you like the content I'm bringing you, you can buy me a coffee. These are the socials of Crypto Coders. I post additional content on Twitter and Instagram, which includes free trades, news, and by insights on crypto events. Links will be provided in the video description. This brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Kindly smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more informative crypto-related content. Let me know your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section. Until next time.